So we are attentive to this Sabah's blue economy idea, and so this has implications for example, maritime environment or maritime transport, and also we have shared dietary interest in seafood. UMS, there has been ongoing collaboration, between Japanese university and UMS, and this Borneo Marine Research Institute, headed by Dr. Fifi, and there has been Kinki University in Osaka and UMS have a very strong collaboration. The Japanese professor Seno has been working with UMS for years. Forestry is another area where Japanese companies have been investing. Another area is as we import palm oil from Sabah, we are keenly interested in supporting this sustainable palm oil. And there are Japanese companies that have technologies to recycle some of palm waste. That means that would reduce emissions of methane and recycling the palm resources. It's like it could become a biomass. Borneo Medical and Health Research Center. There is ongoing academic research collaboration on the issue of tropical infectious diseases. So since 1982, under Duki's policy, there have been number of Malaysian students, nearly 30,000 Malaysian students supported by the government to study in Japan at the university level, and also Tibet education. It's called Kosen. So it's a technical college. And so many of graduates of this program have assumed the post of professorship at various Malaysian universities. And so they are qualified to educate or train next generation of young Malaysian people for more advanced, engineering or even semiconductor. So hope I'm hoping that we'll further advance our collaboration in these areas of educational exchange. And as I mentioned, there are professors who are coming to UMS, but there should be more Japanese, say, undergraduate students coming to study at the UMS. I visited the campus last year and was very much impressed by this beautiful campus, which also has a beautiful beach on campus. So through this mutual two-way exchange, both at educational exchange and academic collaboration, I hope that our collaboration would go up to the next level of industrial cooperation, blue economy, among others. There are many Japanese companies interested in this area, so-called green transformation or energy transformation. And as you mentioned, ASEC initiative covers all the ASEAN countries, but because Malaysia hosted, ASEAN summit and related ministers meeting, there are lots of attention being paid, to the possibility of new projects in Malaysia, including in Sabah and Sarawak. So you rightly mentioned the possibility of hydrogen, ammonia, or biomass. And as we import LNG from Sabah and Sarawak, there is good potential, for example, for carbon capture and storage also in Sabah and Sarawak. So, of course, that requires kind of harmonization of domestic legal framework in Malaysia. If Sabah and Sarawak are exempted from a national legal system like CCUS law, that may create some challenges in terms of international conventions such as London Protocol. So this is something we are looking into in terms of how we can further promote our cooperation in this ASEC green sector, including our negotiation of joint crediting mechanism between our two governments. So we need a kind of a legal framework to further upgrade our collaboration. But Sabah presents very promising opportunities. And so, as I mentioned, the Green Expo could also showcase some of the new initiatives coming from Sabah.